Hello, my name is Peter Renchis. I'm a member of Splat Space. I also work for the Museum of Life and Science in Durham, North Carolina. And I did most of the construction on the hardware here. What we have here is a reflective sensor device that'll see patterns of black and white on a sheet here, and then we can slide across it. And the idea is that it looks like a player piano roll. And where you see black, it will play a note, and where you see white, it will be silent. And so you can make notes different sizes, and you slide it across with your hand, and it picks those notes up. So the basic construction is 12 of these units. It's a part number CNY70. It's got an infrared LED and an infrared phototransistor right next to it. So when this LED is on, when there's a surface nearby, white, non-absorbent surface, enough infrared reflects back and turns the transistor on, and that gives us a logic 0, basically. And then the rest of the time, if it's either pointing at the sky or a dark absorbent material, like these magnets that we've coated with black construction paper, then it doesn't reflect the light, and the phototransistor's off, and so it gets a logic 1, and that's what we consider to be playing a note. So the photo reflective sensor array is underneath here, and we've built 2 little feet on it so that it'll slide along this little template and read the black and white pattern. The rest of the circuit is an Arduino, which is an Arduino in a kind of a minimal configuration with 13 inputs, analog inputs as well, and we're using 2 outputs as our audio mixer of up to 2 notes. And then that goes to a little LM386 amplifier to the speaker, and there's a little voltage regulator on it. We don't have it battery operated at the moment. It's getting its power from here. So I'm going to plug it in real quick. So I've tried to do the first whatever bar of Mary Had a Little Lamb. So you can sort of see that that's what you get here. What you're hearing is all of the notes playing because there's no reflective surface on the room. So white paper works also. And I have a little chord here. So, sorry, this little thing slid. So one of the basic ideas we had is for creating patterns. We build these little steel plates, just chopped them out of a bookcase using a metal shear, and painted them white, and then using these little magnet cards, basically, that you can get in a craft store. It's a very thin magnet, and it's got a sticky surface on the back. And we peel this off and adhered black construction paper to it. And then we cut it into strips. So for the classroom, the idea is that kids can have these little workstations, and again, we have one that has the lines actually etched on it. And you can create various patterns, musical patterns, or binary code patterns on these sheets, and we have a number of them. And then that sort of leverages the fact that you might only have one of these devices in the classroom, but kids could be working on creating a pattern or creating a bit of music this way. One of the other things that you can do with it is demonstrate Morse code. So you see the black and white pattern is dots and dashes here. So you could actually play around with using it as a Morse code generator where you actually see the Morse code in the black and white pattern. So that's the basic construction and operation.